Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to play Yandere Simulator on your PC. Firstly, head to the official Yandere Simulator website at yanderesimulator.com/download. After you download, once downloaded, install the game on your device. For PC users, this may involve extracting a zip file or following setup wizard for the installer. Now, open the game by double-clicking the game icon. If you're using a game client like Steam, launch the game through the client. Yandere AI Girlfriend Simulator usually involves building a relationship with an AI character that evolves based on your interactions. The AI girlfriend will react to how you treat her. The game often features a variety of emotions and responses based on your choices. You may be asked to perform specific tasks to gain affection, avoid being too controlling, and keep her happy while managing her jealousy. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.